So, hello folks, hope you guys are doing good. So let's dive into today's weekly outlook. So we'll start with DXY chart, okay, and we'll start with a weekly time frame. So last week what we saw is that we took out this liquidity, right, and we also form a doji candle, right. So whenever you see a doji candle and we see a fair value gap just above it, so it's very high probability that price will go from this it will tap this fair value gap, right. I'll show some example here. If you'll go and see not here, if you go and see euro USD, right, and we'll find it out right here. Okay, see, I remember, that's why I'm telling. See this. Okay, the probability of filling that fair value gap is higher. Price took out you know just a sec. Yeah, now it has took out the liquidity, right, and it forms a fair value gap here. So that's why the probability of filling this fair value gap is higher on the next week, right. It got filled. So similarly, I'm expecting this fair value gap to get filled, okay, right. So we can see some retracement, and I will be expecting this order block to hold the price, and again we can move lower, and the target will be this fair value gap, right. But first tapping this fair value gap, and then moving to the downside in the coming weeks, right. uh, Now let's see what we have in daily time frame. In daily time frame, yes, I guess this will be our previous week high, right. So we'll be expecting price to take out this previous week high uh, on Monday or on Tuesday. Then we can move our plan our trade to lower side. We also have this breaker, right. So to price to remain in my to bearish, I will not see price to close inside or close the 50% of this breaker, okay, and also this is all block as well. So yeah, probably I'll be expecting price to take out this previous week high, tapping this weekly fair value gap, also breaker and order block to move price lower, right. Hope the idea is clear, right. Now let's go to euro USD, see what we have on euro USD. Let's start from the weekly time frame. Same thing we have, but here we don't have any fair value gap. So what we can expect, price to come and take off 50% of this range. Okay, 50% of the range is still this rejection block, okay. Yes, if you come to this still this rejection block, I want to show you something else. This is an order block, and also there's one thing is here. Go to 3-day chart, and 3-day you will go, you will see a fair value gap, right. So I'll be expecting this fair value gap to get filled when price, and also taking out this previous week low, right, and tapping this this fair value gap, okay. And when the price in DXY, price going and tapping out this breaker as well as this order block, in that time I'll be expecting price to tap this 3-day order block, sorry, fair value gap, and also 3-day order block. We also have 3-day order block, okay. It's a high probability order block. This 3-day order block I'll be expecting price to tap, okay. That's all from the euro USD. GBP, let's see what we have, okay. GBP also we form a CRT, but I'm skeptical because I'm bullish for DXY for first half of the week. So yeah, I can see some retracement, then moving to a higher side. Let's see what we have in daily. Let's start from the weekly. Okay, in weekly we have a fair value gap. So yeah, my bias will be bullish, okay, but I want to see yes, price will remain bullish, but I want to see some bullish price action to target the price higher, okay. Right now I'm not seeing such, okay. So I will be only planning to trade bullish side if we close above this 4-hour fair value gap, sorry, 4-hour order block. It's a high probability order block, okay. So I'll be expecting price to, if price closes above this order block, then I will expect price to tap this order block and move price higher to this weekly fair value gap. That's the plan, but let's see what will happen on Monday. Now let's come back to one more pair, which shall I go? Let's start from, let's do the BTC USDT. BTC right now my bias has changed, and I will be waiting for this weekly closing. The price closes below this low, okay. So most probably it might come and fill this fair value wick to the 0.25 or 0.5, but I will not force it. Okay, I will probably wait price to invalidate this fair value gap to in order to price to move lower, but I'm expecting bullishness. Okay, so I'll be expecting price to tap this fair value gap and take out this high. That's my near-term objective, and that is 62,738 this high. But if price took out this high, okay, then I will not. Then I will not interested in this fair value gap. Okay, I'll be only interested when price closes below this fair value gap. Then I'll target this 0.5 and all. Okay, let's see. I'll be only interested if this high remain intact in BTC USDT. Now let's come back to gold. Okay, gold, yes, gold looking bullish right now as we have closed above this candle high. Okay, and we also formed the fair value gap. So when DXY will be going up, okay, in that case I'll be expecting price to come and tap this daily fair value gap and move higher. Let's see what we have in weekly. In weekly we also have tapped this order block. Okay, so I'll be expecting price to take out previous week high and also this high as well. Okay, yeah, on daily time frame I'll be expecting this to down close candle along with this fair value gap to support my price. So this internal liquidity to this external liquidity will be my framework. Let's see what we have in 4-hour time frame. Okay, in 4-hour time frame we also have a swing low, right? So maybe it will come down to turtle sweep this low and will go higher. And if you go and see, there's one more beautiful thing I can see right now, that there's a range low and there's a range high. Okay, so maybe this range high is a it's a near-term objective. Looking good. If I go to the 12-hour time frame, I'll see a fair value gap. Yeah, perfect. I can see a fair value gap right here. So that will be my idea from this fair value gap moving price higher. Daily we also have the fair value gap and also a 12-hour fair value gap to confirm my bias. Yeah, the bullishness, but first bearishness. Maybe Monday to form a range, and then Monday Tuesday take out the Monday range low, and then we move higher. Not that much higher, but at least till this candle high I'll be expecting. Okay, weekly what do we have? Yeah, weekly previous week high. Okay, so far I have covered all the major pairs. Gold done, BTC done, Euro, GBP all done, and yeah, that's all. I guess if you can go and check out the US oil.
Can you please check
Which pair? Tell me.
NAS, NAS and
Okay, let's check.
NAS, AU and NZ,
Okay, let's now check
please?
Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq. Let's start from the weekly time frame. Same thing again. Same bias. Bullishness first. Mm, at least till this fair value gap. Okay. Then after what price does, I don't care. Till this fair value gap, we also have this mitigation block. Okay, price failed. So yeah, I'll be expecting price to hold this, and also we have an order block. So maybe this order block I'll be looking for short. Okay, and yeah, that's my bias, looking for short. But I don't have any key fair value gap or nothing to target, but I am very skeptical right now on Nasdaq.
Right. The
Not that
DOL
easy.
is a little bit unclear.
Yeah, it's not that clear. Okay, let's go to SPX. Same thing here. I have already marked this PDR a long time ago. Just tap right now, but no, it's not looking. Let's go to daily time frame. Daily, same thing. We have a fair value gap. Nothing. One thing we can do that, wait for a daily bias candle right now. Yeah, pin bar or outside bar to form here inside the fair value gap. Then only we target this to the low side. Okay, but until then, wait and watch. Okay, which one? AUD, right?
AU and NZ, yes.
Okay, let's start from the weekly time frame. Same thing. We have tapped this weekly key level. Right. Might we see some price to the lower side? Okay, but not the right away. Okay, not right away. Only thing, if price closes below this candle, then only I will look for shorts. Until then I will do nothing. Okay, because it's not that easy to trade right now, this pair. Not
Right. Price even the daily closed above the liquidity, the
yeah,
previous. Beautiful.
Yeah, right now it's not that much easy pair to trade. So I'll rather trade Euro USD. Let's say in GD, start from this pair. We also have tapped this. Very yeah. Nothing to say, like range low taken out, range high taken out. No bias right away. Only case I'll be trading shorting will be when we see an order block forming here. Then I will move the price target lower. But there is nothing to target right now. So I'll wait for price to generate some liquidity. Then only I'll participate in odd USD and NZD USD. But one thing which is looking clear is Euro USD, GBP USD, both looking super clear, and also gold. Okay, so these are the three pairs which you will have in my mind. Let's go to the USD JPY. Let's start from the weekly time frame. Okay, it's looking good. Closed below. It's a doji candle, so might we can see some retracement. Okay, and maybe till this inversion. Let's start from this daily chart. Okay, daily we also have closed above this. So if I see some bullishness, then I'll move target higher till this fair value gap. Let's start mark out, as already we have. We start from the side of this low. Oh, yeah, so this fair value gap is perfectly aligned. Okay, so that will be my idea, but I would love to see some bullish price action, then only I will participate. Right now only I can see is this order block as a key level. Okay, so this has to hold to move price higher. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see. Okay, in this case, if this high remains whole intact, then price take out this low. Okay, then and forms an order block or fair value gap here, then I will target higher. That will be ideal. Let's see. Let's go to USD card, last pair. Let's start from the weekly time frame. Okay, it's pretty easy. It looks easy right now. I'll be looking for longs from here. If not immediately long, 4-hour confirmation will be my, I'll plan in that way. Daily chart, yes, we are moving down since last 2 weeks, so yeah, most probably we will form a CRT here, and then only we can target higher like this. We can target this fair value, but not right away. Okay, but yeah, I'll not be trading USD CAD. Most probably I will look for trades on USD JPY, Euro, GBP, and gold. These are the pairs in my mind. If I'll go to the US oil is also not that pretty much clear for me. Okay, okay, it's looking clear. It has closed above this fair value gap inversion, but I can't find any buys right now. I'll be doing nothing. Yes, oil. Yes, that will be my idea. Gold, Bitcoin, Euro, GBP. All these 4 pairs in my mind on next week. Hopefully this was a good outlook for you guys. So see you in the next video, and have a nice weekend.